Here's a quick video on iXL Algebra 1 BB4 transformations of quadratic functions. First question type you will get will look like find g of x, where g of x is the translation 2 units up of f of x equals x squared. So this is our parent function, right? And I need to go 2 units up. So if I'm going 2 units up, I know I'm going to have my x squared plus 2. And that'll be it. Let's move on to another one. Actually, if I were going down 2, my equation would look like this. Y equals x squared minus 2. Oh, well, they're using g of x, so switch that to g of x. Just for consistency's sake. And that's what it would look like if you're going up would be here, down would be here. Let's move on. Next problem type says, find g of x, where g of x is the translation 7 units right of f of x equals x squared. So since we're going right, I know that that is inside of my parentheses, and I know that that's opposite of what I would think of, so I know it should be negative. So I have x minus 7 squared. So g of x equals x minus 7 quantity squared. If I were going 6 units left, once again, I know it's in my parentheses, and since it's opposite, left means plus. So x plus 6 quantity squared would give me 6 units left. Okay? This next one says, find g of x if it is a reflection across the x-axis. Reflection just means that a is negative. Okay? So in this case, a is positive 1, but I need it to be negative 1, so all I do is give negative x squared, and I'm done. That's it. This is where it could get a little bit challenging, but I want you to pay attention to the vertex. So the vertex of the parent function is at the origin 0, 0. So all we're going to do here is go, okay, well, I know I have my parent function y equals x squared, and I'm going to describe what happened here. It went 1, 2, 3, 4 to the left. So it went left 4. So that means plus 4. And I'm going left and right, so that's inside my parentheses. So I should have x plus 4 quantity squared. Okay, so for this type, you have to pay attention to the vertex. And let's see what happens when it gets a little bit difficult. Here, once again, pay attention to the vertex. The vertex of the parent function is always at the origin, so we need to figure out how did this graph move from here, where it should have been, right, if I were to do a little dotted line or whatever, this is what my graph would look like, something like that. Okay, how did it move from here all the way up to there? So let's figure that out. Well, we went left, and I'm just going to draw a line straight down here. We went left 8. Okay, so we went left 8. And then we went up, draw a line here, up 8. Left 8 and up 8. So left 8 means plus 8, up 8 means plus 8. But the left in the parentheses plus 8, and the plus 8 at the end from going up. So we should have had x plus 8 quantity squared plus 8. So 8 units left, 8 units up, and we are done. Okay? That is it. Email me if you have any questions.